Welcome back to Creative Aid. More than 45% of adults snore during sleep, and 75% of them suffer from sleep apnea, which causes cardiovascular disease and other diseases. But several ways to get rid of snoring can be relied upon naturally, so let's look at them. Lack of sleep can play a significant part in increase of snoring, as when an overtired person goes into deep sleep, muscles become floppier. Also, losing weight can help people who have recently gained weight and have started to snore as a result. In addition to that, sleeping on one side stops the base of your tongue and soft palate from collapsing to the back wall of your throat. That usually happens when you sleep on your back. Drinking alcohol 4 or 5 hours before sleeping can make snoring worse and louder, as it can reduce the resting tone of the muscle in the back of your throat. Try to avoid drinking as much as you can. Opening nasal passages can also help minimize snoring if you have a cold or if your nose is blocked for another reason. A hot shower or neti pot or nasal strips can help clear passages before bed. In addition, drinking water can stop the secretions in your nose and soft palate from becoming sticky when you're dehydrated. So ensuring you are having enough water each day can help stop snoring. Also, replacing pillows can reduce allergens and dust mites that are present in the bedroom that may be contributing to snoring. Pets can also result in animal dander being breathed in, which is another common irritant. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.